In this video, I will show you how to adjust brightness on your Panasonic TV. So if your Panasonic TV is too bright or is too dark and you want to make some adjustments, basically what you want to do is to go ahead and press on the menu button at the top of your remote control. You can literally see the menu button over here on my Panasonic TV remote control. If you do not find the menu button at the top of your remote control over here, what you can actually do from the home of your Panasonic TV, you just want to scroll horizontally until you get to the main menu option over here. Go ahead and click on it to open up the menu, or you can just press on the button on your remote control, and then from the menu over here you want to select picture and then scroll downwards until you get to brightness over here. Now you can now adjust the brightness by either increasing it using the navigation buttons over here or decreasing it. So to increase brightness, I'll just use the navigation forward button to increase it, and as you can see, my Panasonic TV is now getting brighter. Now to reduce it, the same thing, you want to use the navigation backward button, so I'll just use that to reduce the brightness of the TV. Once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can go ahead and click on the return button on your remote control over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.